Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Luis. In this video I'm going to show you a Wi-Fi smart strip. So this one arrived from eBay, cost me about 19 euros and 80 cents. As you can see, we have 3 sockets and two USB ports. It's compatible with Android and iOS and also Alexa. Okay, so this is a quick unboxing. Inside the box we can find the device and instructions. Okay, let's have a look at the details, all the specs. So with the app we can control each socket and also the USB ports. USB ports work as one, so from the app we will be able to control USB, but not one by one the 2 ports. Okay, so in order to install the app, just scan the QR code, and if you are German, probably you are lucky because the instructions come only in German. Okay, so this is how you turn on the device, and as you can see it's already powering USB. Okay, let's try the other one. Okay, let's now connect the device, my Nexus 7, and it's charging, and here you can check all the values. Okay, now let's start the app. So you need to register for the first time. You can do it by email or using your mobile phone. So I selected email, and after that you will receive an email with a verification code. It's really fast, so you just need to memorize the code, and now we just need to enter the code over here, set a password, and press completed. Okay, now we need to add the device, so just click power strip. I did press a socket and it worked the same. Okay, so we need to press the power button on the device for 5 seconds and the LED will blink. After that we can continue, so we need to tell the app which Wi-Fi we will be using, so I will select my home Wi-Fi. We need to enter the Wi-Fi password, and now it's searching our network for devices, and if all is working well, it should find our power strip. Okay, so it was found. Just press completed, and now we have the 3 switches plus the USB, and we can connect or disconnect the one we desire, or press power and disconnect all sockets or all switches at once. Really easy. Okay, so about the app, we can change the name of the device. Imagine that you have more than one, so you can give different names. And as you can see, it's also compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT. Okay, also we can check the device information, so the IP on our network and MAC address. Let's now create an alarm, so we can select from all the switches, and what we have to do is just select the time that you want the alarm to start. After that, you go to repeat and select which days of the week you want. So if you want the entire week for the alarm to do the same, just select all days, and then you need to select to turn on or turn off. So on and save. Now we need to do the same to turn off the light. Okay, so select 1 hour to turn off, select the days you want to do that, and instead of on, now we select off, completed, and save. Okay, I didn't save because this is just for the video, so it's really easy. Let's do one for the USB. So this way you can create multiple alarms for the same switch for different days, different time. It's really easy and really handy. Okay, really useful, so totally recommend it. Okay, and really cheap, so less than 20 euros. Don't forget, if this video is you find this video useful, to leave it to give it a thumbs up and consider to subscribe. So let's check now with the app and some devices connected how it works. Okay, as you can see, we can control the USB ports and also the sockets. We can disconnect all at once, and we can control each one separated from the others. So consider to subscribe, and I see you on another video. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe.